Okay, what is HDMI switching? HDMI switching is any device that will take two or more HDMI inputs from HDMI devices such as a Blu-ray disc player, a satellite receiver, or a cable box, and take the inputs from any one of those three and have one output go to an HDMI equipped television set. So you can watch a DVD 1 minute and then just easily switch on the front of your stereo component to a satellite receiver, so you can switch back and forth. So that's what the switching refers to. Your device has to have at least two or more inputs and then one output. This particular device happens to be a Yamaha home theater stereo receiver, and the switch on this unit is right here. You can switch back and forth between those inputs on the back very easily.